What's up, AVI fans? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to install these license plate lights on your Subaru Impreza 2016. These are LED aftermarket headlights, or license plate lights. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I have a little issue with mine right now. They're LEDs as well, but they flicker. So I just wanted to switch them out. They're maybe like 2 years old and they're flickering right now. So yeah, it should be an easy install. We'll show you the steps and how to install them. So let's go. So you can see this one's flickering and this side is out.
Yep. So we'll show you guys how to replace those.
Maybe we'll leave the car on just because you can see the lights on now. And these are polar, which means that it matters which side you put them in. So that way we can see if I put them in the right way. So first, we want to remove this liner out of the way. So we did most of them. There's 8 clips total, but we're gonna remove the 2 that we put back on now. So just take your pry tool and pull it out. Same like this. You don't necessarily have to remove the whole piece of this, but it's easier access. Ooh, official. Made in Japan.
OEM.
Not for sale. Sorry.
For sale, $200.
Okay, that's easy. Okay, so now here where the license plate lights are located, and I believe you just pull on this.
Should you be doing this if it's live?
Live?
Live, like
We're doing it live. So what we did was we unplugged this and we just twisted this counterclockwise.
Yep.
And now we can easily just remove this, pop it right out, throw it away, get a new one, and
we'll put the link in the description below for these lights.
Oh yeah, got them on Amazon. And we're just gonna plug this back in, see if they're the right. Yep, so they're right. I put them in the right way. If you didn't put them in the right way, this is how it would look. So it's on, but it's not on.
Nice.
So it's on, but it's not on. So you got to reverse it. It's polar. That's basically what it means.
Science class.
Yep. So this way, it's not flickering anymore. Actually, maybe I should have
Put it in and then.
Yeah, put it in and then plugged it in. There we go.
And we'll show you guys the process of how to take this one off too, because I know we skipped that part.
Now it's easy. So I think the pull tab's on the other side.
On the back.
The pull tab is polar too, I guess. So we're gonna show you another way because this pull tab's not exposed. So we're just gonna untwist this straight out.
So it's a little bit more difficult to get the bulb up.
Looks like there's only 2 sides of this light working. Don't get electrocuted. Throw that away. And a new one. Right.
You guessed right again.
That's the right way. And then we'll just screw it back in without getting blinded. Clockwise.
Nice.
And now you got it working.
Now we'll show you guys the after.
Now you got all the lights working, no flickering for now.
So much brighter.
But if that happens, I got more, just in case. And then maybe we can show how to put this back on.
Yep.
We'll show you with more. So you pull it back as much as possible, and then you just twist it on. Somewhat.
So twist and then a push.
Twist, push. There we go.
Yep.
Yeah.
And when you hear that, you know it's locked in.
Yep. So if you like that video, please subscribe, like, and follow AVI. You know, American versus Import. Here we got the Subaru, we got Tim's Mustang down somewhere, but
And the Lightning.
The Lightning and something else.
Maybe.
Surprise. But yeah. So show us your love, and just like that,
AVI out.